Manila, Philippines, to the World Wide Web through broadcast and social media. Veritas 846 Kapanan, 55 years of Catholic broadcasting. Catholic Media Network and kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
Kapanalig ang ating Philippine Standard Time ay 2 minuto makalipas ng alas 6 ng gabi. Araw ng Lunes, ika-20 ng Enero, taong 2025.
This time check is brought to you by Flemex Forte Syrup and Capsule. Kapag may uuuhi ka, Flemex agad. Basta lagundi, Flemex.
Flemex Forte.